Hi, Blake with BlvdHome, and today we're in the washing machine section again. We're going to talk about Downy Rinse and Refresh. Is it good to use, or is fabric softener better, or use neither one of them? Let's talk about fabric softener. Now, we've talked about fabric softener before. We'll just do a real quick recap. If you haven't seen it before, go check out our other videos, get my whole opinion on it. But basically with fabric softeners for the most part are perfumes, and a lot of them have animal fat. Most of it's animal fat, and basically the animal fat gets in there and makes your fabric nice and soft, and they say it doesn't peel. That's right, because everything peels off of animal fat and nothing sticks to it. That's why when you use it with your towels, you can't dry very well with them, because basically you have animal fat repelling all the water, so they don't work very well. It also does have an effect on your machine, like we've talked before. If it freezes, if it sits too long, if you don't shake the bottle up, you get all that excessive fat basically at the bottom of the bottle. It creates problems with the machine itself, where you get clumping of fabric softener in the machine. You get that gray sludge inside the machine. You can get gray spots on your clothing. So it does have an effect on the machine also. Now, the newest thing is Downy Rinse and Refresh. Now, Downy Rinse and Refresh is a new product to the market for the most part. It's a product that has citric acid and perfumes in it. Basically what it is. Now, the citric acid kind of does the job of when people say they put vinegar in their clothing, because basically what it does is just stripping the gunk and the muck off of your clothing itself. Basically it's taking off your sweat, your perfumes, oils. Basically it's peeling it off of your clothing itself, and then it has a nice smelling perfume in there to make it smell nicely after. It's basically the same concept when I recommend using Let Me Shine for your dishwasher. It's also a citric acid, because basically it strips away the hard water deposits, all the stuff that builds up inside your dishwasher. It does the same for your clothes, strips off all the hard water, all the perfumes, all the dyes. It does kind of help bring the fabric back to life, because it does make it softer. I mean, I won't deny it, because it does. Is it a better alternative to use that than fabric softener? In my opinion, yes. But I'm not crazy about all the perfumes they put in it, but that's basically what it does. And you know, you can look at different tests where you can go online and you can see where they put rinse and refresh and also vinegar, and they put fabrics in them, and you can see them peel the stuff off and what it does to it. In my opinion, the video is kind of gimmicky a little bit, but does it do a great job? Yeah. If you really want to use something, you know, to freshen up your clothing, to make it smell nice, of the two, I would honestly go with the rinse and refresh. It doesn't have the fats in it. The fats cause so many problems, but it does have benefits too, but the problems, again, really outweigh the advantages of the rinse and refresh. So if you're looking for something, I would definitely go that way. With rinse and refresh being such a new product, you know, and I've got all the information that I can get from the manufacturers and all this and all the research that I've done, but there's some other stuff out there. You may want to research it, but it looks like it's going to be a good product, so don't be afraid to use it. Again, I would definitely rather use that over fabric softener. If you have any questions or any comments about this video, we'd really like to hear them from you. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you again soon.